Today, we're starting a long-term test on the Feynlab Black Velvet Tire Sealant. Just do yourself a favor, subscribe and follow, so that way you don't miss these updates.
I haven't applied a tire dressing to my tires in several months. We just got through winter. I just did a cleaning of them. They are clean and dry, and I have been not dying, but very excited to try out the Feynlab Black Velvet Tire Sealant. This is different than a tire coating in that it's going to be more breathable, more flexible. It's not going to hopefully flake off, but I'm going to try this out for you guys to see if this is a better option for enthusiasts and customers who want long-term tire dressing look and easier maintenance. The issue with coatings is that over time they can kind of start to crack and they'll get kind of chalky and white. Now you can remove it using like a lacquer thinner or a Terminator or something like that, but not everyone knows how to remove them. And I've had some customers very hesitant to even consider a tire coating. So I want to see, is this a better option that's going to wear more naturally? So that's what I'm really looking for. And are we going to make this kind of dry tire look like new? I'm only going to do one coat because I really don't like a high gloss tire dressing. It does say two. Oh wow, she dark. Definitely throwing this applicator away when we are done. I mean, it better look black on the tire. With everything that I put on there, it's going on very easily. Wow, that's like, it's almost like paint. All right, so we're gonna, I just want this to be even, and that looks fantastic. One round. So I want to see what this is gonna look like as it dries and if we're gonna need a second coat. But I just like a nice natural black look. I don't like a high gloss tire dressing. So we're gonna give this 10 minutes and then revisit. All right, so I'm not gonna go as heavy because I feel like that was a lot. And this applicator is perfect to not get it on the wheel. It's one thing the instructions did say, and I'm just gonna go around this once instead of touching it because I just don't want it to look kind of streaky, but quick, easy. Looks great at this point. Tire dressing is the cherry on top of a really good detailing, guys. I didn't really detail mine. I just washed it. And I'll be honest, I didn't go to town on these tires. I haven't had a dressing on them for several months. And I just cleaned them with Quiver Brake. We didn't have a ton of browning on it, but it just kind of dried naturally. So we're moving quick. Final tire. And yes, you definitely don't want to reuse these applicators on anything. Probably once we're done, we're just going to dispose of them. Alright, so I got a little bit on the wheel. We're just going to use the dry side of our applicator and get that off of there. Crisis averted. I think out of every product at SEMA, every product, guys, this was the one I was the most excited to see. Because for me, the tire dressing makes the detail. It really does. You really don't have to go to great lengths to get a shiny car these days when we have ceramic coatings. This took me 15 minutes to wash my car. About 5 minutes to just kind of go over tires and wheels really quick. But if I can speed up the wash process with something on the tires that I can just kind of clean them with soap and water for the next few weeks / months, that's just going to make my life easier. And that's what a tire coating is going to do. 1, help your tire look better longer. 2, make maintenance easier. As this dries, this is just giving me a really nice natural black appearance. No gloss at this point, but if you like a natural black tire, 1 coat. Guys, it looks like it's almost dry. No streaks. Nice even appearance. Wow. This right here, guys, already impressing me first time using it. Now I want to see what kind of wear do we have over the next few weeks. How long is this going to last? And is this going to make maintenance easier? We're through winter, so we're getting into pollen season. It's going to be hotter. That's just more kind of friction on your tires. So dry to the touch. We don't have dirt sticking to it. Shouldn't have sling. So all the things that I'm looking for. How long is this going to last now? Stay tuned. We're going to share with you guys updates on durability.